everybody, oh my god, Danae here. Thanks for joining. In today's video, we're going to be opening up the Paper Pumpkin from Stampin' Up. This is the February 2022 box. As you can see, I haven't opened it yet, so we're going to find out what's in it together. All right, let's go ahead and open this up. Oh my gosh, I'm loving it already. Look how cute. It's got a little monstera leaf in it. Little banner that says, yay, happy birthday, fantastic, congratulations, amazing, you did it. You are so, and let's celebrate. A little cupcake and a monstera leaf, that is so cute. Okay, our color here is Rich Razzleberry. Little gorilla, a deer, an elephant. Side note, my husband pointed out to me that is not a gorilla, it is a chimpanzee and an antelope. So Safari Celebration Paper Pumpkin. Okay, sorry for the interruption. I just called my husband coming in the middle of the video. Okay, so we've got these little dimensionals. They look like little rocks almost, but they're squishy. Okay, our 3D poppers. Our texture or patterned envelopes here. Ooh, those are cute. The card stock. Let's see. Got the yellow. The little punch-out gorillas with their hula hoops. Antelope with cupcakes. Some of the teal color cards. Oh my gosh, I love plants. These are so cute. Monstera leaves. Purple cards. Little vellum paper shapes here. I love the nested dies from Stampin' Up with the stitched border on them. They're so cute. Elephants, roller skates, little circle punch outs, banner punch outs. The little glue dots, and then our instructions here. So we've got some cute extra projects as well. Very unique cards to make in this box. Stay tuned for some alternative cards that you can make using this stamp set. In the meantime, make sure you like, subscribe, and click the notifications for the bell crap. Have a great night.